This keto bacon marmalade is everything. Let's go. Let me tell you a little bit about this recipe. It has 6 ingredients and it's 1 gram carb per tablespoon. And I think as a condiment that is really great. What I love most is that you can make the plainest of meals. For example, you can just fry up a steak or roast a chicken or have a plain salad. And without any herbs or spices, those 3 meals could be really boring. But boy oh boy, when you chuck this keto bacon marmalade over any of those dishes, it turns my dish from 0 to hero. Hi, I'm Mel and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please do take a look around at our other recipes, and if you love what you see, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new recipe. My inspiration for this recipe comes from this book. It's called Keto 6 Ingredients or Less, and I got it from Kmart. But for the life of me, I can't find an author or the book crediting a recipe creator. So if you do know who the author is or recipe creator, do let me know in the comments, please. I did have to make major changes to the recipe because the original is really high in carbs and I wanted a 1 gram carb per tablespoon recipe, and I wanted to add more flavor. Speaking of which, here is the recipe. Finely dice 100 grams of red onion and 400 grams of bacon. Over a medium heat, melt 40 grams of butter, then add the red onion. We're going to caramelize the onion, and mine took 6 minutes to darken. Then add the diced bacon and give it a stir to incorporate it into the onion. Add the rest of the ingredients, which is 1 teaspoon of Dijon Mustard and 1 teaspoon of brown sweetener. Then a tablespoon each of red wine vinegar and coconut aminos or low-carb soy sauce. Combine all the ingredients, cover the pan and let the marmalade cook for about 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. I added some black pepper at the end, but this is totally optional and to your taste. Here I'm adding it to a bowl, and for your viewing pleasure, we are just going to zoom in so you can take a closer look. I do hope you get to try this recipe. Get ready for a taste bud bonanza. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.